Gold against US dollar this week has lost its value, and we can see what has happened after the price has formed this bearish breakout at 2300. Then the price returned back up, cancelling this bearish breakout as a valid one, indicating further rise in the opposite direction. The price did not continue that, did not return all in the opposite direction, but the price continued to fall down, but it has stopped at this support level, and then making large wicks on a Tuesday and even more on a Friday, which has gone even further down, lower than these three candles low price levels. On the weekly time frame, this is a bearish candle that has been closed and it has stopped at 2300 support level. Monthly time frame looks still bullish. We can see that how this looks. We can see a strong wick in the previous month with smaller body, and this is still bullish candle body, and it is continuing to rise in value. For the gold, it's very hard to predict on the monthly time frame because we do not have any clear signal, and we can see there is no resistance levels where the price is stopping, and except this one where what is the top 2431. So for now, for any conclusions, it is the best to go to the lower time frames. The daily time frame is the best one, but we can see what is very important level on the weekly. For the weekly is 2300, and if it breaks down, it will go all the way to 2250, and also very close to this one here, which will be 2232, which is smaller confluence of support and resistance. In order to continue to rise in value, the price needs to return back up above 2345. We can see that here, in order to continue to try to attack again this resistance level. Now on the daily time frame, we can see how this looks. This is still in the downtrend. I was expecting during this week that this cancellation of this bearish breakout will continue to rise in value, but we can see that on a Thursday and on Friday the price doesn't show enough strength. So based on this one, based on what I can see on the weekly time frame and the daily, this is indecision on the market, and we need to see will the price manage to continue to close the price below this price level, which means below 2288. If the price closes on the daily time frame, this will be indication for the further decline down all the way to 2250. Now if the price goes above, which means above this price level, which means about 2380 on the daily time frame, this will be indication for the further rise in value, reaching this start of this supply zone around price level 2350. So we need to see how the price behaves around this support level where the price currently is. How the price will behave? Will price make a breakout to the upper side or the lower side? This is something that we need to watch next week. So if there is any breakout happening on the market, I will share that inside the Telegram group, just like I have done in this week when this cancellation of this bearish breakout has happened on the market. So this is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.